Hey guys, it's me Danielle here today, and I have a special guest, my little sister Kaylee. And today we're going to be making slime, and you'll need a bowl. You'll need a spoon to mix it with, whatever. We're going to be making fluffy slime. You'll need glue. You'll need borax and water solution. You'll need shaving cream. And she has one, and then you just, And if you want food coloring, I like have mine white fluffy slime. So first you pour your glue in. I did not that much, just enough.
Oh god, it's so heavy.
Then you want to put your you would put your shaving cream in. Shake it out then. I don't want mine too fluffy because I want to make it where it can poke and stretch, and because sometimes if you put too much shaving cream in it, it will make it where it won't poke or stretch or do anything. But my solution is where you just keep on mixing until it comes together. Just keep on mixing until it comes together. Then you want to add your borax and water solution. Okay, stop. You can get your borax anywhere. Like, you can find them anywhere. You had already put your food coloring in, but I don't want any food coloring stock.
Time to add mine.
And see if you can tell it's already coming together. Then you just want to keep on adding it until you get the right amount of activator. Like, see, it's already coming together and stretching. See, it's like already coming together. I'm just going to put about that much. I put a lot in, so I probably don't need to add any more. Oh, just keep on adding. Now I'm just going to tiny bit of shaving cream because I like shaving cream. See? I love it. I love slime so much if you can't tell. See, it's already together.
Look at mine.
Yeah.
Mine's big.
I just don't like when slime's on like the edge of the bowl. I don't know why. I just don't like it. So I just like to take it off and then play with my slime after. You can have a board to like play with it on, but right now I don't want to use my board.
I'm touching it.
Then you just start going in with your hands when you're finished. Oh, I need something to set this up. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting that. Then you just go in. Well, you want to roll your sleeves up, but I can't roll this one up. But then you just go in playing with the slime. Oh, and you'll need a container. That was the stuff I forgot to say, or a baggie. But then you just want to mix it together.
I'm still doing mine.
Ah, it's so stretchy.
Yeah.
It's stretchy. I'm gonna hear the poking in a minute, but just gotta mix it in.
It's still sticky.
I'm gonna hear the poke.
Maybe that's good.
But this is a really nice slime. The texture is really nice. Let's hear the poke again. Ah. Whoa! Oh, did you see that, guys? It
Can you
almost got
help
my
me?
leg. No, you can do it.
I add some shaving cream to make it not sticky.
And it stretches really well if you can't tell. And it's
Sticky.
really good.
Ah, no.
And I'm gonna get my container for it. I have this hater.
Mm.
And I want to show you all of my slimes at the end of the video. Like, not going to do it like in poking or anything. I'm just going to show you them. The slime fits perfectly in the container. I'm going to get this off. Okay.
I got mine done. It's pretty
Put it in the
good.
container and seal it up. Then you have a perfectly good slime. Because I think my personal slime is amazing. It's really satisfying to play with. So, yeah. So, I'm just going to show you all of my slime. See, like, it's all my slime. So, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching my videos. Hit like and subscribe. Bye!